Gusto mo akong makulong, sir?
Hindi ho. Tinatanong ko lang ho kasi this is how you run. And
Akala ko kaibigan tayo. Healing cannot be a solution to all of these things that we have to deal with in life. Are you
certified as a urgent bill.
asking my honest opinion?
Yes, Mr. Chair, Mr.
You
President.
restore the death penalty.
I'm sorry
Mas
po.
mabuti po, ibalik ninyo ang death penalty. Walang criminal kasi, sir, kasi nag-warning ako. Pag sinabi ko, when I became mayor, I'll give you 48 hours to pack up and disappear. The slightest move on the hand, even if it is equivocal kung ano ang dinudukot niya, basta may baril, the police can kill the person. I'm not trying to... Alam mo, sir, we have to start with the elementary thing. The law enforcement starts with the police. So he goes out there, enforces the law. If there is a violation, he makes the arrest. If there is an arrest made and there is a resistance, ng person na inaaresto niya, and talaga nakita niya na it is a very serious one, the police, the trabaho of the police is not only to say that I am a police, that you are under arrest, but the police has to overcome the resistance physically. If there is a resistance, bugbugin na niya o anong para madala niya sa istasyon pagkalumaban and book him for the crime that the guy committed. Kasi pag lumaban yan, magsuntukan talaga, minsan nababatuta. And the police is right in making that arrest if there is a resistance. This is not to defend the police. Pero kung sila mismo, naalanganin na sila, o yung may raid, tapos may baril, hindi na kailangan sila magtanong ng ano, walang kaseremonya yan. It's either we say, you surrender, raid ito, at pa'y may maling galaw, the slightest move on the hand, even if it is equivocal kung ano ang dinudukot niya, basta may baril, the police can kill the person.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much for that, Mr. President, Mr. Chairman.